Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you the whole chicken curry and I'm going to make it in Karahi. How do I make it tasty and delicious? That I'm going to share with you. I'm going to use this a young chicken. This is a fresh chicken. It's a whole chicken. I'm going to wash it with the cold water. Then I'm going to cut into pieces, and what ingredients, what other things I'm going to use with it, that I'm going to share with you. So please check the description below for the ingredient list, and let's get started. I took the chicken out of the bag and placed it into my big strainer. Then I had a karahi full with the cold water and I just washed it, and it's a fresh chicken. It's about 7 pound weight. And I'm going to take the skin off. I like skin on, but my kids, they don't like the skin, so I just take it out and I discard it. Let's cut the chicken into small pieces. Then we'll make a delicious chicken curry. To remove the skin, I'm going to use the kitchen scissors and we're going to remove it, the skin. Once I'm going to cut into the small pieces, I'm going to wash the chicken again. If you have a meat cleaver, you can use that, cut through, just like that. As you can see, I remove the skin. But if you see, these chickens have a lot of fat accumulated. So I'm going to use the kitchen scissors and I'm going to trim that fat off. Just like that. So I'm going to make sure that I take all the fat off. I'm going to do the trimming as I mentioned, and other thing I'm going to do the cut the pieces just like this. These are big leg pieces. And I'll take the wings just like that. And I'm going to cut this much and I'm going to discard it. Nice big size breast pieces. Chicken is cut into nice size pieces, like a couple cuts on each drumstick. And these are the good size pieces. So I washed it with the cold water, so it's ready. These are the things I'm going to use. Minced garlic, 1 can diced tomatoes, ginger, about 2 tablespoons, 1 large big size onion. I diced the onion. As for curry, I'm going to use 2 cups of water. Spices I'm going to use from my masala dabba, which is a spice rack. As I mentioned earlier, please check it out the description below. And let's start making tadka. I'll get a karahi, I'll start gas. And we're going to keep a gas on high. I'll bring olive oil, 1/4 cup olive oil. What I've done with the ginger and minced garlic, I put it inside and make a smooth paste. I'll bring cumin seed, 1 tablespoon. I'm using olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil and you can adjust according to your weight of chicken. This chicken itself is a 7 pound chicken. It's a big chicken. So you can 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup olive oil. So this is the paste. I'm going to bring it. Mix it well. Cooking our ginger garlic paste for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring onion. That's a large jumbo size onion. And now we're going to cook our ginger, garlic along with our onion. So keep scraping. As you see, that garlic has a tendency to stick to the bottom. Initially it soaked all the oil, and once we have our onion nicely translucent, then it's going to start releasing the oil. Then we will know our tadka is done. If you notice that the pot started to clean up. So keep moving. So we're going to saute our onion until it's nicely golden brown. Cooking our onion for 5 minutes. If you notice that the oil start to ooze out, our onions are nicely transparent. They are cooked. So now I'm going to bring diced tomatoes. That's a 1 can. That is 1.5 cup. Mix it well. Mixing our diced tomatoes along with our tadka. I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking on high gas. Now I'm going to bring the gas to medium. I'm going to open it. Mix it well. Looking so good. Our tadka is nicely cooked. The tomatoes are tender, and if we check our tadka, wow, look at this. Tadka is nicely cooked. Now I'm going to bring the spices. Salt is always according to taste. I'm going to bring 2 teaspoons. Cumin powder, 2 teaspoons. Turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons. Curry powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. Red chili flakes, that's according to taste, but I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with our masala for 1 minute. So our masala is nicely cooked along with our tadka. And if we see, our tadka is nicely cooked. Now I'm going to bring the chicken and we're going to mix it well. After mixing it well, I'll bring the gas to high and we're going to cook our chicken with open lid for 10 minutes and keep stirring so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking our chicken for 10 minutes on a high gas. Wow, it's looking super delicious. This big bird, you really need a big Kadai like this. They're looking really nice. Look at this. All these breast pieces, they are nicely cooked. So after mixing it well, I'm going to bring 2 cups hot water. So we're going to mix it well. The curry is looking perfectly fine. If you want running gravy, you always can add more water. But 2 cups with the 7 pound of chicken is perfect. I'm going to bring my gas on medium and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes and I'm going to cover with the lid. Cooking on a medium heat for 15 minutes. I'm going to start the fan and I'm going to open the lid. And I'm going to mix it. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring garam masala, 2 teaspoons, 1, 2. We're going to mix it well. After mixing our garam masala, the garam masala gave us a nice color. Now I'm going to bring kasuri methi, which is a fenugreek leaf, 1 tablespoon. On medium gas, we're going to cover with the lid again and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Cooking our chicken additional 15 minutes. I'm going to turn the fan on. And I'm going to open the lid. Our chicken is fully ready. If you see on the top, there is oil start to come. And look at the bottom. The gravy is nicely done. So our chicken is fully cooked. And if I cut the chicken, it's nicely cut through. It's fully cooked. And our drumsticks, as the meat start to pull back, the bones start to get exposed, that chicken is fully cooked. And now I'm going to bring the gas on high and we're going to cook it with open lid for a couple minutes. You always can add fresh cilantro, fresh parsley, whatever you like. You can bring any other spices, what do you feel like it. Look at the chicken, the drumsticks. Wow. So our chicken is fully ready and we'll dish out. Turn off the gas. Serving bowl is ready and I'm going to bring, look at the curry. Wow, super delicious. Our curry, this one is nice, thick. Look at the chicken pieces. Wow, I love it. This is our chicken legs. It's looking so good. Our delicious, tasty, mouth-watering whole chicken curry is done in Kadai. Super tasty and super delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. This will serve as a main dish. As you've seen, it's not hard at all. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this dish, please like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.